Yeah. Ho na voloni votua bana nungu vanua hasuni bila au susumaena lolo madina. First time auraidiko eva kanga nararama au na numani ikonga na nongu itokani ni bula. Yeah, you used to work in Treasure Island, you were living wild, flirting every night, you were acting like a child. But I still believed, I still held you close, thinking love can change a man, that was my biggest hope. Now I'm crying in Natabua Tears all alone. You broke my heart, you broke my home. You left me with my 2 million in my arms, while you run away chasing other girls' charms. Oh, well, Nico, but you turned to stone. Now I'm a single mother, trying to be strong, trying to be strong. One night you came home from another girl in Suva. You started the fight like it was nothing to you. Your anger got heavy, your hands became pain, and the love we built together, you washed it down the drain. You beat me down, then you walked out the door. Didn't say a word, didn't care anymore. No message, no call, no goodbye, no clue. I was left in the dark, wonder what I did to you. Now I'm crying in Natabua Tears all alone. You broke my heart, you broke my home. You left me with my 2 million in my arms, while you run away chasing other girls' charms. Oh, Nico, but you turned to stone. Now I'm a single mother, trying to be strong, trying to be strong. They told me you're in Australia, working far away, while I'm here fighting tears, trying to make a way. Every night I pray for strength in my soul. For my 2 babies I will never let go. My 2 million, come here, I'll hold you tight. Even if your daddy left, we gon' be alright. On Natabua Tears, I won't fall apart, because a mother's love is a powerful heart. Now I'm standing in Natabua Tears on my own. You broke my heart, but I found my tone. You left me with my 2 million in my arms, but I'll protect them from this world's harm. I wallow my Nico, but you chose to roam. Now watch me rise up, I'm making this my home, I'm making this my home. Yeah,